everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Toyota Rav4 Prime, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So to prep it, we're going to need to lift the hood. That way we prep the inside of the top layer of the headlight. And then once we lift it and everything's prepped, we can start with the installation. So once we have the hood open, we can start by prepping the panel. So just apply Slip Solution to the headlight lens. And then with a clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the headlight lens may have. So make sure you get the top piece here and then everything on the front side. And now we can start with the installation. So to start with the installation, we need to make sure we spray Slip Solution to the headlight and Slip Solution to the tint film. And once you apply it, align it to the edge. Just a little bit of amount of material is going to go to cover this section of the headlight. So just align it. You can use this half as the guide in order to align it, and it should be like that. The next step is to tack it down. So to tack it down, just lift the film carefully and apply tack solution on the edge and then on top of the film. Grab your squeegee, hold it in place, and tack down this section first. If you need to apply more tack solution to tack it down, you can. Since we only applied it on the edge, apply tack solution in the middle here. That way we're able to secure it. So again, make sure it's aligned. Hold it in position with one hand, and with the other one just tack it down. So secure this whole section here. So now it feels more secured. And now we can start tacking down this piece. Start from the bottom here and work your way to the top. And with this piece here, just to help it tack down, because it's a small deep curve, you're going to need to apply tack solution and heat to help it tack down. So apply a little bit of tack solution, grab your heat gun and start applying heat to tack it down. Once you apply heat, apply tack solution again. That way your squeegee is able to tack down the film. So make sure it covers up to the top edge and tack it down. And it should be like this, perfectly fine. And if you still have any small fingers, just apply tack solution and heat again, and it should go away. And that's it. And now we secured this piece, and now we can move on with the rest here. Okay, so now that we secured this section, now we move on with the rest of the film. So we just need to stretch it up till it reaches this edge here. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens, place it back down, and then just stretch it until it reaches the edge. So help it tack down to the curve like this, and then stretch it up. So it should be like this. Hold it in position, apply tack solution, hold it in position, and start tacking it down, and just follow up with the rest of the film. And then once we're done tacking everything down and we know the film isn't going to lift, now we just need to seal the top edge, because afterwards we're going to apply the top piece here. So we just made this extra top piece here that we have more coverage for the headlight here. But if you don't want to install it, once the hood goes down, it's just going to show a little bit of the clearness on the top. But if you want to install it, we added that extra piece. If you are going to install the piece, seal this top section before we do the installation for the top. So to seal it, apply tack solution right on the edge here. Just make sure not to spray it onto the inside of the engine here. Grab your heat gun and your microfiber towel and start sealing the edge. Yeah, now that we secured this top edge here on the headlight, now we can move on installing the last piece. Okay, so for this last piece, all we need to do is apply Slip Solution on the edge of the headlight here and Slip Solution to the tint film. And all you need to do is just align it right where we left off, so it does coverage there. And it may overlap to this piece just a little bit, but that's pretty much it. So like this, just a little. So now to install it, all you need to do is lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Make sure everything is still aligned. Hold it in position and tack it down. Because this is just a small area to work with, we're going to take our time to tacking down this piece And if we need to apply heat to help it seal faster, we can. So let's apply heat. Spray tack solution. Let this heal and we just move on with the rest of the film. So just tack it down as you go. You could also lift it and apply tack solution to help the adhesive activate faster. Tack down as you go. And now just apply heat and help it tack down with your microfiber towel. Let the film cool off just a bit, and then we're just going to apply tack solution once again, and then slowly hold it in place and just finish off with tacking down the rest of the film. And that's pretty much it. And now the film is secured. As you can see, it's not moving, so it should be good to go. And then just make sure there's no bubbles behind the film. And after that, we should be completed with the installation, and the last thing to do is just post heat the whole entire film, and then you're done with the installation. So the last thing to do before you finish with the whole installation is to post heat. So to post heat, just apply tack solution all around the film, especially where we overlap the film and on the small area here. Grab your heat gun and your microfiber towel and start going all around to help secure the film with the heat gun. And then with the microfiber towel, we're just gonna help absorb any solution. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2022 Toyota Rav4. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, that way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.